Assalamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn Kana wa أخواتها, Kana and Its Sisters inshallah. Kana and its sisters are a group of verbs that come with a nominal sentence. They are called incomplete verbs, أفعال ناقصة, because they always need a predicate or khabar to complete the meaning. And they are also called أفعال ناسخة because they change the khabar's case from nominative or الرف to accusative or النصب. So the predicate of Kana and sisters always has fatha or tanween on its ending. The subject or mubtada will be called ismu Kana, noun of Kana, and it will be in nominative case or marfu'. The predicate or khabar will be called khabaru Kana, predicate of Kana, and it will be in accusative case or mansub. And they are as follow. Kana, to be or was. Asbaha, to become in the morning, to reach the morning. Sara, to become. Laysa, negation, not. Bata, to become, stay the night, to spend the night. Amsa, to become in the evening, to reach evening. Adha, to become in the forenoon, to reach the forenoon. Dhalla, to continue or remain. Mazala, still. Madama, as long as. Now let's give examples. كان الجو حارا. The weather was hot. Harun has become harran. Kana changes predicate to fatha, but mubtada remains same. And now this is called ism kana. It remains dhamma, but harun becomes harran because it is khabaru kana. أصبح Umaru tabiban. Umar became doctor. Umaru ismu asbaha and tabiban khabaru asbaha. Sara الطالب مجتهدا. The student became hardworking. Sara, to become or to change to something. ليس البيت كبيرا. The house is not big. بات الرجل حزينا. The man stayed the night sad. Stayed the night. He stayed throughout the night sad. أمسى الولد جائعا. The child became hungry in the evening, or he spent the whole day hungry until he reached the evening. ظل الطالب قائما. The student remained standing. ما زال الولد نائما. The child is still sleeping. ما دام سأعمل ما دمت حيا. I will work as long as I am alive. ما دام is in third person and ما دمت first person, I, as long as I am alive. If خبر كان or predicate of kana is dual or muthanna or sound masculine plural جمع مذكر سالم, then alif nun and waw nun will change to ya nun. الطالبان مريضان. The two students are sick. الطالبان مبتدا and مريضان خبر, both of them must be dual and must be in nominative case. كان الطالبان مريضين. Two students were sick. الطالبان remains nominative with alif and nun, but مريضان becomes مريضين because it is خبر كان and خبر must change to accusative case. الطلاب مجتهدون. The students are hard-working. Male students, more than 2, 3 or more male students are hard-working. أصبح الطلاب مجتهدين. The students became hard-working. مجتهدون became مجتهدين because it is خبر كان, خبر أصبح. Kana and its sisters, Kana وأخواتها, can be conjugated like other verbs in past and present tense. Before we conjugate them, first we need to remember what the personal pronouns are, or detached pronouns. هو, هما, هم. هي, هما, هن. أنت, أنتما, أنتم. أنت, أنتما, أنتن. أنا, نحن. Now let's learn how to conjugate kana according to these pronouns. In past tense first, الماضي. كان, كان, كانوا. كانت, كانتا, كنا. كنت, كنتما, كنتم. كنت, كنتما, كنتن. كنت, كنا. These are in past tense. Now let's go to present tense. المضارع. يكون, يكونان, يكونون. تكون, تكونان, يكن. تكون, تكونان, تكونون. تكونين, تكونان, تكن. أكون, نكون. And these are in present tense. And that's all today. See you next lesson inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.